Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you the Dyson Airwrap Special Gift Edition that we sell here at Apt. I've never used this before, so this should be interesting. Let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is now damp. To use this Airwrap, you have to have your hair damp, and it actually comes with a tool to get your hair from wet to damp. I just sprayed my hair off camera so that I could use this. But we are going to use a couple of the attachments today. I'm gonna split my hair in two, and I'm gonna curl one side and straighten the other using the Airwrap. It comes with a bunch of attachments, so it comes with this volumizing curling brush. Not gonna use this one today. It also comes with the firm smoothing brush, and this is supposed to be for frizzy hair, so I'm gonna try the soft smoothing brush. This one wants to come out. Come on. This one has softer bristles, so that's what I'm gonna try today first. We'll just clip it on actually while I have it out. And these all clip in really easy, one clip, and then it has a button on the back to release it. Very simple, so that's good. It also comes with a 1.6 and a 1.2 barrel, and you get two of each. They're symmetry barrels. They have arrows on them which show you which way to curl your hair. Typically, I like to curl my hair away from my face. It just looks better in my opinion. But we are going to start with the soft smoothing brush, and we'll see how this goes. Wish me luck. I'm actually gonna start to section my hair first. I like to split it. It's obviously split in half, but I'll split the halves in half. Pull this part up here. It's good to section your hair because it just makes it easier to dry. It's not so much at once. All right, let's go. Okay, so it dried pretty quickly actually. I was surprised by how fast my hair dried because my hair likes to hold a lot of water, but it dried pretty quickly. And you can see that it's straight. I think it looks good. It is a little bit frizzy on the ends, just a tiny bit. I might still run a straightener through it or a curling iron through it and maybe do something to the ends, but for the most part, that worked out pretty well. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm going to use the 1.6 inch barrel. Okay, so like I said before, it comes with two symmetry barrels, so I'm using the one with the arrows pointing this way because I'm doing it on this side of my hair, so it's going to curl my hair away from my face. The cool thing with this is the hair is supposed to attach to the curling iron, so we'll see how that works. I'm pretty excited to try it. All right, here we go.
Do you want to dance?
Okay, initial reaction, you can see that these are very surely temple curls right now, but they will fall, so I'm just gonna give it a couple of minutes. But that's pretty quick for a wet to dry curling. So give me a couple minutes and then we'll be back when this all falls and I'll let you know what I think. Okay, so you can see that it's fallen a bit now, and I actually really like it. It's bouncier than what I normally do, but I like it. So I think I'm in on the Dyson. It is a little bit pricier, but it did a good job. So, and I'm not a hairstylist, so the fact that I was able to do this on the first try, I think says a lot. So it's pretty easy to use, and yeah, I recommend. I look good. Anyways, like I said, this is the Dyson Airwrap Special Gift Edition that we sell at Apt, If you have any other questions about it, please reach out to us via phone, email, or chat with one of our experts online. I also made a video comparing this Dyson Airwrap to the hairdryer and curling iron I normally use day to day to see which one was faster. So make sure you check out that video too. And I will see you guys next time. I do look good. Wow.